Buddhism acknowledges that we are influenced by things beyond our control. However, Buddhism disagrees with determinism. And then, as you already know, determinism claims that everything is predetermined, pre-programmed. We are in the matrix world, that everything has been structured to follow orders that way. Buddhism holds that we can be truly free by rising above circumstances and practicing detachment. So, what do we mean by rising above circumstances? Meaning that we are, of course, we are subjected to the physical aspects such as biology, chemistry, and physics. However, we are not to be bound by them for life. We can live on and beyond this physical compositions, and we do that by somehow practicing detachment. Continue to explain that we need to let go of the illusion of self, since in reality there is no self. We call Atman. Now, self in philosophy and religions and spirituality can be defined very differently, can be understood differently, but it is a delusion. Sorry, an illusion, meaning that something that is vague, something that is not clear. So to say you exist as a physical being or you exist as a spiritual being, this is somehow is very hard to make a strong claim unless we side with a certain camp, such as the Bible, or with a certain theory of philosophy. With detachment comes nirvana. Nirvana is a state of nothingness, according to Buddhism. Is the ultimate state and the most desirable states of a person's life, um, and that is what we call the true wisdom. So practice detachment. Now, detachment is also a word that is defined a bit differently too. A lot of us, detachment means to isolate ourselves, like social distancing. But not that alone is enough. Detachment sometimes also refer to not to allow the uh, uh, you know things in our life to dominate us, to control us. So basically, not to be oppressed, not to be governed. So we're living in this society, we are living with people, but not allowing this physical aspects, social aspects to govern us. So basically, increasing our self-awareness, increasing our consciousness. That's part of the detachments being understood. So Erskine. So I skipped this slide that because of we are not going to discuss this as a debate. So this is a lecture online. Um, Erskine said that opinion is that exercise of a human will which help us make a decision without information. So we all have opinions. We are bound to opinions, and that's what we do. Some of this somehow become a controlling factor, a dominant factor that we continue to make decisions without enough information. So it's good to have opinions, but not to be gravitated by these opinions alone. It's good to have this rational mind. Okay, so another key term you need to learn is epistemology. What is it? It's a part of philosophy that is concerned with the study of knowledge or the moral knowledge as included. So we ask the questions how? How do we come to know what we know? It addresses questions about the nature or origins and limits of knowledge and how it can be validated or cross-checked from time to time. Okay, so how do I know what I know? This is the questions of epistemology.